All right. Sale, 50% off of the original price. What is the sale price of a snowboard originally priced at $906? Remember, there are benchmarks, okay? So 50% means half, right? It's the same as one half because 50% means 50 out of 100. All right? So meaning, if it says 50% off, you're getting half the price, half the original price. So you can just calculate that in your brain. What is half of 906? Okay? So you just divide 906 by 2. So just remember, if it is 50% off, that means you have a discount of 50% or half the price of the original price of the of whatever item. So 906 divided by 2 is how much? All right. So if you are going to do the math, the standard way of doing it, so what you normally do is you multiply 906 by the percent, right? So that you know how much is the discount by 0.50. So you're changing 50% to 0.50 because 50 over 100 means 0.5, right? In decimal. So which means you're just moving the decimal point 2 places to the left whenever you are dividing by 100. All right? Remember that. So if you have, let's say, 35% means 35 over 100. So when you change that to decimal, just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So it's going to be 0.35. So here, 906, you multiply by 0.50. But if you know already that it's just half the price, you don't need to do this, right? You don't need to do this anymore. But, okay, show your work because they say, oh, show your work if you know. I can show my work this way, but I can also show my work by just getting half of it because I know already that 50% is just half of it, right? So I just divide this by 2. That's another way to find my answer instead of multiplying 906 by 0.50, right? Which is easier to do. Multiplying 906 by 0.50 or just divide 906 by 2. Split into 2. If I split this into 2, it would be easier for me to just split the 900 and the 6. And then I divide each of them by 2. So 900 divided by 2 is 450, right? And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 450 plus 3 is going to be 453. So the sale price is the price of the item after you take away the discount. So the discount is 453. So you subtract it from 906, it's still 453. 906 minus 453. So it's going to be 3. This is going to be 10. 5. This is going to be 8. So this is 453. Okay? Now, remember, this is discount. So when you are getting a discount of the original price, all you need to do is multiply the percent by the original price, like this one. Okay, so if I multiply 0.50 by 900, this is the conventional way of solving it. So 5 times 6, I will just add the 0 later. 5 times 6 is 30, carry 3. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. And 5 times 9 is 45. And then now I'm going to add 1 0. And then how many decimal places? 1, 2, 1, 2. So the discount is 453. And when you subtract it from 906, That would be the sale price. And we already did that earlier. It's also 453. So let's see if our answer is correct. So this will be the sale price, which is 453. Awesome. All right. Another example? One more? Yes or no? One more example or we're good? Skylar, Nyla, Delilah, Caspia, Brianna? One more? Or we're good? We're good now? Hello? Are you still there?
Yes, Miss A?
Are we good now or you understand now how to get the sale price?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so
Yes.
I'm going to stop now. So all you need to do is multiply the percent. So 75% off. So I'll multiply 0.75 by $8. So you know if you have a calculator, that would be easy. 8 times 5 is 40, carry 4. It's off. So we want to know the discount. 8 times 7 is 56 plus 4, it's 60. And then you have two decimal places, 1, 2, because of this, 1, 2. So therefore, the discount, all right, is $6. So you subtract the discount, the amount of discount from the original price. That would be your sale price. 8 minus 6 is 2. So Patrick will just pay $2 after the discount. Are we good? Okay. So everybody understand now what to do?